is called Amalaki in Ayurveda and is said to be one of the most potent fruits produced in the nature. Amla has been used in Asian medicine for centuries to ward off diseases and ensure optimal health. As per Ayurveda, Amla or Indian gooseberry qualities are light, laghu, and dry, ruksha, and its energy, virya, is cooling, shita, hence the citrus fruit works well to manage all the three doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha and prevent accumulation of toxins in the body, says Shreyansh Jain, Ayurvedic expert and CEO of Meaty 365.